two seals, and you can measure it, or this is the quickest way to do. Handle on the right side, make sure this is closed. Go up and then draw the line on the bottom. After you cut the ножик. You try to tell you one thing and you get on some of it, you put it in perspective. And I tell people if only 1%. So you can get down maybe 1/4, or I would say ½ inch below the line. And you try to get people to look at life like myself. I've been racially profiled, but to me, it's all part of life, and I'm not focusing on it. You can just scratch it first and then draw the line. You can use a piece of metal. Polycarbonate is hard to cut, so just make the short, straight line. And then get inside more. On top, get about quarter from the top. Be careful, this is very sharp, very sharp. From the bottom, снизу.
Подарок людям делаешь.
So you knock it up here and in the bottom here, Vermont. Find out more and get informed and vote for this man in November. Last question has to be this, and I really do see this. When somebody like Elon Omar's daughter speaks out, come on, Tom, let's all gather over here. Don't bring milk, bring water. There's going to be tear gas and pepper. Make sure it's straight. Okay. Дальше. Now these things go right in there, just like that. Главное, я рассайф, ну ты в сторону иди. На паузу поставь. Those would be the message that I would get out to the community to try to calm things down rather than steering it up so far. Like our mayor and the things he's saying out there, it's just not good leadership. Very, very well said. TV's Chris Salcedo Show. Also on Newsmax TV live on RayCon.com/pags for 15% off Raycon wireless earbuds. One more time, buy Raycon.com.
get to the phones in a moment. First, I remind you about little sleep. You know, the pandemic is going on, and we've all been dealing with a lot of stress. Really, really stressed out. Not easy to sleep at night, I get it. Well, but one of the best tools is getting a good night's sleep. And sleeping on my new Hills mattress is wonderful. Sleeping great, waking up refreshed, which is what you need too. So consider purchasing a Hills mattress. And they're offering you, because you listen to my program, a great deal. Whether you're a side sleeper, hot sleeper, firm bed, firm bed, hillsleep.com/PAG, they're an actual custom mattress that will give you the best sleep of your life. I fall asleep quickly. Some of you may fall asleep quickly. Either way, it's Hills is the one that I'm getting. It's 888-941-PAGS, 888-941-7247. Lacey Johnson seems like a really good man to me. Just met him today. He's a guy who's got a history in that town, and those that I trust in that town say so. And I'm not really sure why you wouldn't give him a fair shake, to be honest with you. You're in Minneapolis. Why not go for someone for District 5 who's got a great history in the city and wants things to be better, not worse? Let me go to Don.